Welcome to the eP2P Application User Tutorial Guide. In this tutorial, the user will be guided on how to submit appraisal form via My Annual Performance Appraisal. To go to eP2P Application e-Appraisal, user need to click HR Self-Service. Then click on the e-Appraisal. Click Appraisal Form and then click My Annual Performance Appraisal to view Annual Performance Appraisal. To view Overall Rating, click the hyperlink. Then, to view appraisal form, click the hyperlink. To edit Annual Performance Appraisal, tick Radio button and then click View button. There are 3 sections for user to edit as displayed in the following screen. To rate competency assessment, click Go button. A list of competency assessment will be displayed as shown in the screen. Click Edit Rating button to rate competency assessment. User can select rating for each competency assessment. Once done, click Submit. Please be informed, once the form is submitted, it no longer can be edited. To add training, development and growth information, click Go button. User can view list of training information attended at formalized training details. Then, user may add information for competency, behavior and training need. User may click Add button to add another information. Next, click Preview button. Once done, click Submit button to submit. Please be informed, once the form is submitted, it no longer can be edited. To add endorsements and comments, click Go button. User can choose either to agree or disagree with the evaluation by ticking the Radio button. User also can give comment or feedback in the Employees Comments ADN feedback field. Next, click Preview button. Once done, click Submit button to submit. Please be informed, once the form is submitted, it no longer can be edited.